Sooner or later, your car's air conditioning system will become a breeding ground for mold, mildew, and other unpleasant roadway contaminants. It's virtually inevitable, and ultimately, your AC will smell. But whether your automotive air conditioner smells like dirty socks right now or at some time later down the road, each time you tap the AC button, mold and mildew growth goes on the rise. In fact, an often cited Georgia State University study concluded that out of 32 cars tested for air conditioner mold, all of them had infestations of live mold and mildew, some as many as a dozen strains of fungi growing inside. It's not just odors either. According to Kelley Blue Book, the problem goes way beyond a nuisance and in many cases causes respiratory problems, including sneezing, coughing, tightening of the chest, and drowsiness. Consumer Reports agrees. Odors can be a sign of greater concern. Indeed, many respiratory sicknesses can originate from or be exacerbated by mold, mildew, and other contaminants passing through your car's dirty air conditioner. Like attic mold in a dank, dark corner, mold inside your car's air conditioner flourishes in the evaporator coil, an integral air conditioner component located under the dash. The evaporator core is repeatedly exposed to moisture from warmer outside air, condensing it to water that collects across the core surfaces. It's the source of the water you sometimes see draining on your driveway after motoring around on a hot summer day. Mold and mildew are further nourished by pollen in the air, dead insects, and bits of debris that are drawn in from the outside roadway. Your AC blower then spreads this mix of spores and other contaminants throughout the interior cabin for all to breathe. Changing the cabin air filter is just not enough. This musty condition is sometimes referred to as sick car syndrome. Until recently, getting the mold and debris out of your AC's evaporator core was a complicated procedure costing thousands of dollars and requiring removal of your dash and air conditioner assembly. The alternatives were few and ineffective. Now there's DWD2's Clean Air Evaporator Foam Cleaner, an environmentally safe, heavy-duty foam cleaner that dissolves mold, mildew, and dirt. Clean Air removes it all from your AC's evaporator without dismantling your vehicle's AC system. Not only does DWD2's Clean Air Evaporator Foam Cleaner eliminate mold, mildew, and contaminants, it also restores your air conditioner's airflow to factory-like efficiency. Once your AC evaporator is clean, you'll want to seal it with Clean Air EvaSeal Contamination Inhibitor. One application mitigates new mold and mildew growth for months to come. For contaminants on your interior's hard surfaces, Clean Air Protect Surface Cleaner is the ideal sanitizer spray for your dashboard, console, door handles, and steering wheel. To reach fungi that have penetrated your vehicle's vinyl, carpet, fabric, leather seats, and headliner, the DWD2 Clean Air Fogger permeates porous surfaces, kills mold, and mitigates deeply embedded odors. Does your vehicle's air conditioner smell? Are you breathing airborne allergens? DWD2's Clean Air system is your complete mold and mildew mitigation solution. Ask your service department for the original DWD2 Clean Air service or go to DWD2.com to learn more about our complete line of genuinely green automotive products.